Hello guys, my name is Josh Chitis and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a vlogging channel about exploring and showing different and new interests, going traveling, working on cars, going on hikes, going to festival shows and concerts. I hope this interests you, and if so, please consider subscribing and join me on living life to the fullest. Follow me on Instagram at Josh Chitis for even more. Hey guys, back at it again with some more RX-7 content. So in today's video, I'd like to address two things. One, there's some rust on my windshield wipers and it annoys me, and no one likes rust, so it's been something I've been procrastinating that I wanted to do. So I got some sandpaper, so we're gonna sand those two down, and then I got some flat black paint so we can get rid of that and add some protection, and it'll make it look nice. Hopefully it looks brand new. Some progress this far. Sanded it down. It's pretty smooth, pretty clean. Compared to passenger side, which I haven't done yet. Alright, I think that's enough for today. It's all sanded down, pretty smooth. I think that's as best as we're gonna get it. Right now I'm preparing the wipers by cleaning them up with some rubbing alcohol. And right now I'm laying down the base coat. I'm using Rust-Oleum paint plus primer in flat black. Then I'm gonna follow up with Color Shot Clear Sealer, which is a matte clear coat. Unfortunately, I forgot what I learned on how to spray paint. As you can see, I'm too close. I should have moved everything 90 degrees more and then sprayed. Soon, you will also see that I sprayed way too much on this first coat. So now that it dried up, now you can clearly see that I put way too much. It was overflowing and drooping over when it dried. I resanded everything down to try once again. So I finished these up. Definitely not gonna win any car shows. If you can see, there's a little bit of droop from the clear coat. But overall, turned out good. You know, here's kind of a little bit sloppy. Maybe right here as well. Other side, a lot better. But just did some flat black and some matte clear coat. Definitely cleared up all of the rust, which was my main goal. And definitely looks a lot better. Good black, you know, lasts longer and protected. So let's just get these back installed. Mission accomplished. The haziness you see is from the matte clear coat. You can't tell in person, but you can definitely see it on camera. Overall, I still take this as a win. Next on the list is the trunk. I never cleaned up back here, which is kind of ashamed of. See all that? Look at all that mess. See, right now there's no bolt. So, the car came with this, but I didn't have the bolt, so I sourced the bolt. Hopefully it fits. Hopefully it fits, and then I also have a washer, so hopefully that solves the problem. I guess I should check first. Hell yeah. So this is what I was doing when I was driving. Rattling around. So don't have to worry about that no more. So if you see in here, it's kind of dark. But you can see all the dirt that is accumulated. For who knows how many years. I'd like to give a big thanks to Kevin at RX7parts.com. He let me know the bolt size and thread pitch for the spare tire retainer, which was M8 by 1.25 with a 70mm length. If you guys are looking for parts for your RX-7, he is your man. Good morning, guys. Today we're over here in downtown Anaheim, ready for the monthly Cars and Coffee Classics. So it should be pretty cool. We come here about a handful of times a year, so a lot of cool cars. And today is January 7th. So figure you take you guys along. Century Toyota.
Hello, let's go.
It's RX-4.
Car number 197, where are you at? AutoZam. Apparently this vehicle is rare. It's a K vehicle, and from what I understand, it's the product of two companies. Who were the two companies that made it happen? Mazda and another company came together to do something special that we don't really get to see often. Even a smaller Japanese car, but nonetheless. So let's go ahead and give them a warm Cars and Coffee Classics welcome.
check out the new RX-7 drip. What you know about that? Anyways, hope you guys liked the video. In the next video will be more RX-7 restoration. I got a few things to do on that, and then maybe a hike. So if you can leave a like, subscribe, and a comment, let me know what's one thing on your car that you've been wanting to take care of, and maybe, you know, I'll try to see if I can help you out or give you some advice on that fix. Maybe I've done it on previous cars that have lots of problems. A lot of cars with lots of problems, so I have taken care of a lot of problems. So go ahead and stay tuned for more videos. Like and subscribe. Peace out.